Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to this video. Today in this video we will learn how to draw in this perforated tray in SOLIDWORKS. Okay, let's start. And to take top plane and do the center rectangle. Here the width of this rectangle. -300 minus 33. Okay, and 390 minus 33 also. Okay, go to the fillet. Here. Select all bodies and the radius of this fillet 70. Okay, go to extrude bus base and extrude .5. So okay, again go to the top plane, start case, convert this entity to make offset. Select this and select scene and the direction of reverse 3.5. Okay, and again go to the extrude bus base and it extrude up to 33.5. Select this face, this case, where the convert entities, select scene, okay, convert entities and offset 60.5. okay, and to go to the extrude bus base, select outside and make direction reverse and give the thickness 3.5. okay, here you can see I need to use fillet here and here. Here the radius of this fillet 13.5 and here 8.5. okay, use fillet command inside of this ace and outside. Here the radius of this fillet 13.5. okay, again go to fillet, here select this ace and this ace. okay, and the radius of this 8.5 is okay. Okay, our tray has been created. Now we need to create some holes. The dimension of these holes are 17 and the gap between horizontal line 31.25 and vertical 32, and is placed from the bottom 70 and from the right side 70. Okay, select this face, this case, and to go to the circle. Here, draw a circle. The diameter of the circle 17. Okay, smart dimension, and select this point to this point, the gap between this 70. Also this point will be smart dimension again, this point and the center, put the distance 70. Okay, now we need to pattern these holes, and first we'll extrude it. Okay, go to the feature and go to the extrude cart. Here, select this and extrude it up to through all. Okay, now we need to create holes in the vertical direction 6 times and horizontal direction 9 times. Okay, here go to the linear pattern and select the direction 1 here, and direction 2 here. Okay, the direction 1, along the direction 1 the hole will be 9, and along the direction 2 6. Okay, and select this feature, go to the drop down, drag this and select this feature. Okay, you can see some reverse side, change the direction and keep the distance between holes, between each holes. Okay, here the direction 1, this gap from one hole to another hole is 31.25, and the direction 2 32. Okay, stop. You can see